Welcome to another insightful seminar held at Karmic Institute. This seminar was led by Kinjal Roy, founder of Koviki Technology Solutions Private Limited, and was titled The Evolving Landscape of Technology-Driven Careers. This crucial session was focused on empowering attendees by helping them identify and strategically navigate the high-growth, in-demand career paths that are currently shaping and rapidly transforming the information technology industry. Mr. Roy started the seminar by immediately posing the fundamental question that drove the seminar: why are we having this discussion? The core premise was the rapid, continuous change in the IT sector, making constant awareness and strategic planning essential for career success. Mr. Roy then moved to the concept of opportunity distribution, asking the students, are we aware about what is available? This part of the seminar set the stage for understanding where the majority of new, high-value opportunities are located within the tech landscape. Roy identified three primary clusters where opportunities are concentrated. The first cluster included AI, cloud, and cybersecurity. The second focused on data engineering, governance, and analytics. The third covered the foundational areas of application development, DevOps, and quality assurance. These points represented the major areas of global tech investment and talent scarcity. Mr. Roy supported the opportunity clusters with compelling statistics. The demand for AI talent is exploding, with the industry projected to hit $1.81 trillion by 2030. In cloud computing, over 90% of global enterprises operate in multi-cloud environments, ensuring sustained demand for cloud experts. Data and analytics adoption is nearly universal at 97.2%, yet organizations struggle severely to hire the necessary talent. Lastly, Roy mentioned the emerging field of quantum computing, which is expected to require over 1 million skilled professionals globally in the coming decade. Mr. Roy then provided a detailed overview of the current technology landscape, categorizing key roles based on their required skills, market trends, and career stage. He highlighted several important observations from the table for the attendees. Mr. Roy then emphasized the shifting career paradigm, illustrating the modern career cycle. This cycle moves beyond traditional education, involving continuous self-assessment and practical application. It starts with awareness and moves through study, building relevant projects, showcase on platforms like GitHub, LinkedIn, curating the CV, and finally simulating interviews. After the insightful session on the shift career paradigm, Roy provided deeper insights into each step of the modern career cycle. He then broke down the seminar into the anatomy of interviews, covering the 6 key components that interviewers evaluate: introduction, projects, technical knowledge, coding ability, explanation of career gaps, and behavioral fit. Candidates need to prepare equally for all these segments. Kinjal Roy concluded the main segment by presenting the blueprint, outlining a comprehensive program structure designed to address these modern career challenges. This blueprint included various structured components to help students succeed. Thank you for watching. You can also be part of such impactful seminars. Just visit the Karmic Institute website to register for free. You can also grab free resources to enhance your IT skills.